In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent text in CapCut PC. If you want to create elegant see-through titles, subtle watermark text, or stylish transparent text effects over your video, this is a simple technique to learn. There are two very easy ways to do it inside CapCut PC, and each one gives you a slightly different look depending on the style you want. Let's begin with the first method, which is perfect for creating a classic semi-transparent watermark. Start by clicking your text block on the timeline so it's highlighted. This makes sure you're editing the correct text layer, then head over to the top right Properties panel and under Text, open Basic. Scroll down until you find the opacity control. Once you see it, drag the slider down to around 30 or 40%. As you lower the opacity, the text becomes softer and more transparent, which allows your background video to show through. This is a great option if you want your text to stay visible without overpowering the footage underneath. It works especially well for branding, subtle labels, or any clean, minimal title design. Now let's move on to the second method, which creates a more modern hollow outline text effect. Select your text clip again, then go to Text and Basic. Scroll down and turn on Stroke. This adds an outline around your letters and helps define the shape of the text. After that, continue scrolling until you reach Blend mode. Change it from Normal to Overlay or lower the main text fill so the inside of the letters becomes transparent. This creates a really eye-catching look where the middle of the text appears completely see-through while the outer edge stays sharp and visible. The result is a transparent outline effect that feels polished and modern, especially when placed over moving video. Once your effect is set up, it's important to preview it. Press the spacebar to play back your video and see how the transparent text looks in motion. This helps you check whether the text is readable against your background. If the effect starts to disappear over lighter parts of the video, go back to the stroke settings and slightly increase the border thickness. You can also add a subtle shadow to improve separation and make the text easier to see without losing the transparent style. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to make transparent text in CapCut PC. Whether you want a soft watermark effect or a bold, hollow outline look, you're all set. Done.